Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 legit ways to make money online. Most people think that making money on the internet is a difficult task, but in this video, I'm going to show you 5 different ways you can start making money online from today. My goal with this channel is to show you how to start an online business the right way. Therefore, check out the link at the description, the first link at the description of this video for a free training that shows you in detailed step how to start an online business the right way. Check out the free training at the description below. It is the first link in the description. It is a free 7 days training that shows you how to make money online. Check it out today to learn how you can start making money on the internet. Also, if you love my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. I know I'm a beginner YouTuber and I want to grow, so please kindly subscribe to my channel and press the red button, the red subscribe button to be subscribed and get notified of future videos. I will continue to make videos regularly and I would love you to subscribe so you can get notification once my video goes online. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 different ways I've found to be the most simple way you can start on the internet with $0 online. These 5 ways are going to kick you off by making sure you start making money online without much expense or much overload. And in these 5 ways, the first and the most simple way you can begin online as a beginner or you can start making money today is by affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is probably the most simplest way to start making money online. Affiliate marketing is the easiest way you can start today without creating your product and without taking the stress that is involved in running an online business. When you come to affiliate marketing, you are basically marketing another person's product. You sign up through a network or you sign up through a vendor to promote their product for a commission. And when you make sales from this product, you get paid a certain percentage from the sales of this product. And with this, you are selling another person's product without creating or without running their product. The vendor handles the customer care, the vendor handles the legal issue, the vendor or the company or the network handles everything that is involved in the product. Your duty or what you do is just to promote or to send traffic to a product, and you get paid from commissions made during the sales of this product. So affiliate marketing is the easiest way you can start making money today. In my subsequent videos, I'm going to be showing you how to do affiliate marketing and how to make 6 figures online just doing affiliate marketing, because I believe that affiliate marketing is the easiest way a beginner can start on the internet. Now that is the number one. The second way you can make money online is by doing e-commerce or drop shipping. E-commerce or drop shipping is you you a is kind of a way of getting product cheap and selling it for profit or for a margin. You can sign up with a site like Shopify.com. Shopify.com is an e-commerce site where they allow you to create a full-blown e-commerce site where you can sell these products. You can sell products from China, from Alibaba, or yes, from their these upcoming countries that manufactures product for cheap. You can get product from them and use Shopify to build a Shopify store where you can sell these products and you can sell it for profit higher than what you bought it from. So the first way you can start making money on the internet is by doing affiliate marketing. And the second way you can start making money online is by doing e-commerce or drop shipping, which Shopify is a site where you can build a full-blown e-commerce site. Now, the third way you can make money online is a site called Guru.com. Guru is a freelancer site where one can find and hire experts in different niches, to do different jobs from them. So if you are someone like you now, if you're starting out, you can sign up as a freelancer in Guru.com and start rendering services that you are good in. There are different things you can do on Guru.com. You can be, if you are good at programming, or if you are good at designing, writing, sales, or if there's any particular thing you know you are good on, you can monetize your skill on Guru.com, and you can start making money on Guru by posting your job, posting what you are good at, and companies will come over there and buy your service, or they can hire you to fulfill these services for them. So you can get paid in different ways on Guru. You can get paid by the milestones you achieved on the site. You can get paid by the tasks you perform. You can get paid by hours, or you can also be paid a recurring income on this site when you get contracts that hires you on a monthly basis. These contracts can start paying you monthly on recurring income. They can place you on recurring income to start working with them. So check it out. Guru.com is a site. Guru.com is a site where you can start monetizing your skill. Simply go to the join now button and choose on I want to work, and you sign up to be a worker or to get hired on the site. Then the fourth, yes, number one is affiliate marketing. The second way is by doing e-commerce or drop shipping. The third way is Guru.com, monetizing your skill on Guru. Then the fourth way you can start making money online is on a site on a site called Rovers. So Rovers is a dog sitting website. On Rovers, babysit dog. Mostly, currently this service is currently available in the US and Canada. And if you have the time, or if you want to make quick buck online, you can go over to this site and register to babysit dog. Most of their services, you can just to sit to out there's dog boarding, house sitting, dog walking, doggy care, dog in visit, just to take care of dogs. So if you think it's something you can do, check out the site rovers.com. It's a large network for dog lovers where you can get hired and get paid to sit and care for dog, mostly for dog and cats. You can sit or walk dogs and get paid per hour doing so. So these are 5 various ways you can start making money today. You can don't you can start you don't need to waste more or to think much about it. Choose a skill you love and go out massively and make use of your creativity to start working online today. You can make money with affiliate marketing, which is the easiest way to start making money online. And in and I'm gonna be creating more videos on how to make money with affiliate marketing. And the second way is by doing drop shipping or e-commerce using a site like Shopify. And the third way is by monetizing your skill on a site called Guru.com. Sign up with them today and start monetizing your skills by being employed by millions of experts, millions of companies looking to hire workers. And the fourth way is by babysitting dogs on rovers.com. Then the fifth way you can make money online is on YouTube. YouTube is an awesome place you can make money doing what you love. Create videos of what you love doing, share it on YouTube, and add and start advertising your business or start advertising your skills on YouTube. You can make money on YouTube today if you know, or if just by creating videos of things you love to do and sharing it on YouTube, you can monetize that your channel and start making money with it. Build up your brand on YouTube and you can start making money with your YouTube videos. So guys, these are the 5 various ways you can start making money today. Subsequently, I'm going to be sharing more in-depth videos on how you can make money online. If you love this video, please kindly subscribe to my channel. I want my first goal currently, as at the time of recording these videos, I know I'm less than on 1,000 subscribers, so I want to grow my YouTube channel to at least 1,000 subscribers in few months from now. So please kindly subscribe to my channel to get notification of my new videos. And also check out the link at the description of this video for the easiest way you can make money today. It's a 7 days program, a 7 days training that walks you through and show you how to start making money the easiest way. Check it out, it's free. Sign up today and go make some money in 2019. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm gonna create more videos of how more videos like this in future time. So thank you. Sign up, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and go check out the link at the description of this video. Thank you, goodbye, and see you next with more videos.